Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to Binance Exchange. This connection allows you to seamlessly manage and transfer your digital assets between a decentralized wallet and a centralized exchange. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure a smooth and secure process, helping you leverage the strengths of both platforms for your cryptocurrency activities. This integration offers greater flexibility and control over your crypto portfolio. Before initiating any transfer, it's crucial to prepare your accounts. First, ensure both your Trust Wallet and Binance accounts are fully set up and active. For Binance, complete any necessary identity verification, often referred to as KYC, to unlock full deposit and withdrawal capabilities. Most importantly, always have your Trust Wallet's 12-word recovery phrase securely backed up and accessible, but never share it with anyone. Also, confirm you have a small amount of the native blockchain token for network fees. Now, let's begin the transfer process. Open your Binance application and locate the deposit option. Select the exact cryptocurrency you intend to send from Trust Wallet, for example, Ethereum or BNB. Crucially, choose the correct network, such as BEP2, BEP20, or ERC20, to avoid asset loss. Binance will then provide a unique deposit address. Copy this address, switch to your Trust Wallet, select the same asset, and paste the address into the Send field. Before finalizing, meticulously review all transaction details, including the recipient address and the amount. Once confirmed in Trust Wallet, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. You can then monitor its progress on both your Trust Wallet and Binance accounts. Transfers typically complete within a few minutes to several hours, depending on network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency. Once confirmed, your assets will appear in your Binance Spot wallet, ready for trading or further management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.